name is Anthony Wilson. I'm from Denver, Colorado. First time here in Whittier, and first time silver salmon fishing. And it's just been unbelievable here, right here in the marina. I may have caught a state record, but we've eaten it this week. So there is no better silver salmon fishing than right here in this boat harbor this time of year.
How many fish did you catch?
I can't say that legally. It's been too many.
A lot?
More than a lot.
How would you recommend this place to people? Like, for example, how would you recommend this place for people for fishing? How good is it on a 1 to 10 scale right now?
It's 11. It's an 11 scale. It's that good. I'll be back here today.
All right, man. See you later.
Ooh, look at that. Get it. Right here at the end.
Woo!
Nice fish, aren't they?
Is it for dinner or what? You just gonna put them in the freezer or what?
Probably one for dinner. The rest of the freezer or to neighbors, you know. Yeah, it'll be good and fresh.
Fresh as gonna get you.
Oh, yeah, that's right. All right.
Oh, nice fish.
Wow,
That's a good shot.
Oh, he's got one too.
All right.
All right.
I knew you couldn't stand it. I knew you couldn't. He's killing it. Gets the big ones.
My drugs are kicking in and my body's feeling better.
The adrenaline's running. The fish adrenaline is running.
I can't stand it.
Wow. I guess you could say the fish is just incredible here. There are salmon jumping everywhere, and everyone's catching fish.
Yeah.
There you go. Hey, you buy a $30,000 boat, and then you come down here and
Okay. So what's your name and where are you from?
Benjamin Dexter from Sitka, Alaska.
How's the fishing here in Whittier right now?
Pretty good.
What kind of salmon are they catching?
Silvers.
Silvers? All right.
Now they caught these waiting on their charter.
You're just waiting for the charter?
Yeah, but it's canceled, so
Okay.
I said we'll just do this instead.